Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is where I share mortgage information to help young professionals, realtors, and new loan officers to navigate the very complex mortgage process. So in today's video, I would like to share the key things that you should pay attention to when you review your loan estimate while you refinance. If this is something that you'd like to learn more about, then this is the right video for you. I've also created another video about loan estimates specifically for purchases. You're also welcome to check it out if that's something that you're looking for. Based on my past experience, a lot of borrowers don't really look at the loan estimate until the very last minute. I would strongly encourage you to review the loan estimate as early on as possible so you know what you're getting into. So let's get into the loan estimate. So this is how an estimate looks like, and it's an example for me to explain the key things that you should pay attention to when it comes to refinancing and reading your loan estimate. Now, obviously, this is for illustration purpose only. Your fees can look completely different from what is listed on here. So let's dive in. The first page of the loan estimate provides a pretty good summary about the loan. At the upper left-hand corner, you will see who the borrowers are and the subject property, and also the estimated property value. And on the upper right-hand corner, you will see the loan term. The purpose of the loan in our case is refinance, and also the product type, fixed rate or adjustable rate, and the loan type, and also the rate lock status. So as it mentioned here, it says before closing, your interest rate, points, and lender credits can change unless you lock in the interest rate. So which means if the status of your loan is not locked, it would be a good idea for you to reach out to your loan officer and strategize when you would like to lock it in. At the very top, you will see that it says, save this loan estimate to compare with your closing disclosure. And the reason why is because this is just an estimate and these are not final figures. So because of that reason, your closing disclosure, which will be provided to you later in the process, will provide you more accurate figures. Now, the first section of the loan estimate is the loan terms. Under loan terms, you will see your loan amount, your interest rate, and also your mortgage monthly payment. You will also see if there is any prepayment penalty and also balloon payment. Now, the first section of the loan estimate is the loan terms. Under loan terms, you will see your loan amount, your interest rate, and also your mortgage monthly payment. You will also see if there is any prepayment penalty and also balloon payment. Now, the next section, you will see the projected payments. The projected payments will include your monthly mortgage payment and also your estimated escrow. So for those who don't know what escrow account is, this is different from the escrow company who is handling your refinance transaction. This escrow is an account your lender established to pay for your property taxes and insurance. So depending on your loan type and what your loan to value is, having an escrow account can be mandatory or it can be optional. So to find out if you have an escrow account, it's actually very easy. On the next row, you'll see on the right-hand side, it says in escrow. If it says no, then you don't have it. And if it says yes, you do have it. So the great thing about this loan estimate is it also tells you what the estimated taxes and insurance and assessments are going to be. Now, at the bottom of the first page is your estimated closing costs and also estimated cash to close. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see a little breakdown of what the loan cost is going to be, the lump sum, and also what the other costs is going to be as a lump sum. The breakdown will be on page 2. Now, before we go to page 2, there's one thing that I want to point out, which is the lender credits, because a lot of times when you're doing refinance, your lender may give you some credit to cover your closing costs. And if there's any, you will see the lender credits right here. Now, the second page will tell you what the closing cost details are. So let's start with loan costs. Now, although it says loan costs, it's actually more than just what the lender is charging you. So to find out how much your lender is charging you, you will be referring to Item A, origination charges. In our case, this is $1,800. It will also show you if there's any points being charged and what kind of fees are being charged. Item B will be services you cannot shop for, including appraisal fee. And also Item C will be services you can shop for, which is usually the escrow fees, title fees, and notary and whatnot. Item D will simply be item A, B, and C all adding up together. So on the right-hand side of the second page is the other costs. Under other costs, we have item E, which is the taxes and other government fees. And under item E, we have item F, prepaid. So prepaid items can be outstanding home insurance premium, or if there's any mortgage insurance premium, and also prepaid interest and prepaid property taxes if there's any. It depends on which month you close. So item G will be initial escrow payment at closing. If you don't have an escrow account, then this will be 0. And also item H will be other fees if there is any. So item I is simply adding E, F, G, and H all together. Item J will be the total closing costs. It's just item D and I all adding up together. And if there's any lender credits, it will also reflect here. Now at the bottom of this page, you will see the calculating cash to close. It's actually the loan amount minus the total closing costs, and also the estimated total payoffs and payments from your current lender. Everything, like after all the adjustments, this will be the estimated cash to close from you. And below that, you will see the estimated closing costs financed. This is the third page of your loan estimate, and it provides you some additional information about this loan. For example, on the upper left-hand corner, you will find your lender's information. Below that, you will see a comparisons section. So these figures are for you to compare this loan with other loans. It gives you information like the total you will have paid in principal, interest, mortgage insurance, and loan costs in the next 5 years. And also it will tell you what your APR is, and also what the total interest percentage is. So what is total interest percentage? It's really the total amount of interest that you will be paying over the loan term as a percentage of your loan amount. Now, at this point of the video, you've learned how to review your loan estimate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment at the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. Other than that, I also share regular content on Instagram, so please make sure you head on to my Instagram profile and click follow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.